Hey guys, LechK here, in the middle of installing new headers on my car. Here's the old, dead, broken ones. Here's my new ones. Not doing anything fancy, just whatever was a good deal, just to get my car back up to working conditions. I think these were like a couple $100. The header wraps were maybe $20 for the pair. It's titanium lava something wraps. Supposedly they don't fade color, which I really don't care about because it's not going to be visible anyway. But if you worry about fading, you can spray with silicone or something to protect it. Anyway, in this video, I want to show you guys how to wrap your headers. I got 2 rolls just in case, but technically 1 should be enough for a V6 engine to wrap both. So let's get it done. Alrighty, so I did the first one. Came out decent. Just gotta put a clamp in the middle one here. But I'm not a pro or anything like that. This is just how I'm doing my car. So I wanted to share. So let me show you how to do the second one, step by step. Alrighty, so we are working with headers for a V6. This is for a 2007 Dodge Charger. I'm gonna start with the little piece here first, then work the big one up to here, and then finish with the middle one and wrap it all together. So let's get started. One also tip, if you don't know how much wrap to cut, one trick is you can wrap this around pipe, see how long it is, and then basically line it up one about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch overlap, 2, and tap it around, leave a little extra for the end here, and then when you wrap this around over and over that many times, that will give you the amount you need for this header. And I realized that 1 roll was enough for both headers, so I still have an extra roll in case you mess up even more than that. But let's start. We're working with fiberglass or whatever this is, so definitely use gloves. Long sleeves is a +2, even a mask. So don't go by all I'm doing here. But like I said, I'm starting with the short piece. And you want to do about 1/4 inch overlaps, meaning 1/4 inch overlaps. I'm going a little bit more than that because 1/4 inch just doesn't feel enough. But everybody recommends 1/4 inch, so go with what feels right for you. That's how I feel. Like, it's your car. Do what you think is going to be best. But pros recommend 1/4 inch supposedly. And keep it nice and tight so it doesn't unravel. So that's going to be for this one. I'm going to cut out the excess. I'm going to clamp it. Because then later when I'm doing the middle pipe, I'm going to overwrap all this together. So you can do a little fold over. Clamp nice and tight. Give it a little twist so it doesn't accidentally unravel. And then we'll just cut off the excess. Bend that over so it doesn't get snagged on anything. And that's that for this piece. Let's just secure the bottom as well. First piece done. This is gonna get covered, so I'm not worried about this sticking out. And now, let's start with the long one, and then we finish with the middle. So that one, I don't need that much wrap because I'm not going all the way to the end because they are touching here. So I'm gonna go as far as I can. And then this one, when I start it, we'll start wrapping all of them. So they're touching here, so I'm gonna maybe get one more wrap in, and that's gonna be it for this section. Unless we cut across. I feel like this header is giving me a little more space than that one did. So technically, I'm gonna try to jump in there. The previous one I cut off right here and that was it. Then I just wrapped over it. But for this one, technically do something like this, just to get a little more individual wrap. Will it hurt it? I don't think so. More protection in my eyes. And there we go. So now we can clip this one. That's all gonna get covered with the last wrap, which we're gonna do now. This is gonna be the longest piece because we're doing this, and then we have to get around the thick section here as well. So we're gonna work our way that way. Should be able to get one more in there. Okay. So now this is holding nice and snug. Now I can clip this. And we keep going. So that's it for here, connection point. So we're just locking that in. And now we still got start going around both here. Okay, and now I'm gonna include the third one as well. I don't like that. I'm gonna go one more inside here. Okay. And now we hit all three. One more should do it. Gonna be it. Fold this over and we clip it again. I'm gonna give it one more. Maybe from the inside here, like this. I need a clip here as well. There you go, guys. Wrapped header. For me. Alrighty, guys. Headers are all complete now. Nice and wrapped up. Hope this is helpful. I hope this gives you the confidence to do it yourself. Hopefully you'll do it better than me. But that's the idea. It worked for me for years last time. It should work fine again. Now I just got to get these back on the car. So check out the video how to install that. But that's it for the header wrap. You can also spray this with that silicone coating, whatever, to protect it even more. I don't have it. I'm not doing it. I need my car. Got to get these headers back on. So for me, it's done. But please subscribe, follow, and come back for more videos. Thank you, guys.